If you need to change your password in Gamma, this quick tutorial will walk you through the full process from logging out to setting a brand new password. Whether you forgot your current password or you just want to update it for security reasons, Gamma makes it simple once you know where to click. And if you find this video helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. First, open your Gamma dashboard. If you're already signed in, look for your profile name or the settings area in the sidebar. Click it, then choose Log Out. This step is important because it gets you to the correct login screen where you can start the password reset process. Once you're logged out, go to the Gamma login page in your browser. On that page, you'll see the normal sign-in fields for email and password. Right below the password box, you should see a link that says Forgot Password. Click that link to begin the reset process. Gamma will now ask for the email address associated with your account. Make sure you type in the exact email you used when you created your Gamma account because the reset link will only go to that inbox. After entering your email, click Send Reset Link. Now open your email provider and check the inbox for a message from Gamma. If you don't see it right away, take a quick look in your spam, promotions, or updates folders just in case. Open the email and click the Secure Reset link inside. That link will take you to a password reset page. Here, enter your new password carefully, then confirm it in the second field. Try to choose a strong password that you do not use anywhere else, so your Gamma account stays secure. After that, click Save. Once you save the new password, Gamma should update your account right away. At that point, you can go back to the login page and sign in using your new password to make sure everything works correctly. And that's it. You've now changed your password in Gamma in just a few simple steps. Log out, use the Forgot Password link, enter your email, open the reset email, and create a new password. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more step-by-step app guides and software tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.